Changemakers, brought to you by Adapt Community Network, empowering people through innovative solutions one person at a time. We change.
What do the people at Adapt mean to you?
To me, family.
Paul Stroud is the Assistant Director of Program Services for the Adapt Community Network. He's responsible for building community connections and opportunities for people supported by Adapt, like organizing volunteer efforts. But the coronavirus pandemic and social distancing rules forced Adapt to temporarily suspend many of their programs.
Being that the program's been suspended, and I know that, again, looking in within myself of the essential needs that I will need for my family, and understanding that, our supporters, again, don't have some of that ability to get out and get those essential needs.
So Paul volunteered to deliver supplies from local food pantries to individuals Adapt supports. Some of these images were taken before wearing masks was mandatory.
Whatever little bit I can do to help, that's what I do.
Paul's being modest, which is fine. That's just who he is, because he doesn't want the fame or glory. He is supposed to make sure he does the right thing.
Dalian Porter is the Senior Vice President of Program Services at Adapt and Paul's supervisor. He says Paul has focused his efforts on Adapt community members who live alone and families struggling with loved ones who are homebound.
That's the group that's really the biggest challenge and the biggest concern for us, because we don't have an eye on them. So we've been doing a lot of knocking on doors, and Paul's been that person and one of the people that's really gone above and beyond, especially our community folks, just making sure they're safe and have all the essentials that they need.
Paul, do you get nervous about going out and about and being around people, or do you just feel like it's what you need to do?
Of course, you have that nerve because, again, I also have to worry about my family safe and healthy as well. But, I just follow the precautions and just try to, be safe.
With the duration of the lockdown unclear, Paul plans to continue helping for as long as he can, doing his part to help his Adapt family during the coronavirus crisis.
It's just a little, the heroes is, these medical professionals, the nurses, the doctors, those are the real heroes.
Well, Paul has been part of the Adapt family since joining as a staff member in 2007. His visits, though, do more than just provide essential goods. One of the people he checks on lives alone with limited speaking ability, so Paul's regular visits provide Adapt with an update on how he is doing. Just incredible person. Well, if you know a change maker, please reach out to me. Love to hear from you. Facebook at Tamsen Fadal.